Imagine you're leading a critical IT project. At first, everything seems to be on track, milestones are being met, and the team is working hard. But suddenly, a major vendor pulls out, a security vulnerability emerges, and timelines are disrupted. Without a clear risk management process, these challenges can quickly spiral out of control. The good news? Risks don't have to derail your project. In today's video, we'll follow the journey of Maya, a project manager, as she learns how to master the risk management lifecycle, one step at a time. Stay tuned for actionable strategies to identify, assess, and mitigate risks in your IT projects. Hi everyone, welcome back to NXtJR. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our weekly insights on IT project management, risk mitigation, and leadership strategies. Today, we're breaking down the risk management lifecycle, step by step, to help you handle risks like a pro. Whether you are a project manager, team lead, or IT professional, this guide will give you the tools to keep your projects on track, no matter what challenges come your way. Topic Introduction. Risk management is the backbone of successful IT project management. It's a structured process that helps you identify potential risks, assess their impact, and take proactive measures to mitigate them. Let's explore this through the story of Maya, a project manager tasked with delivering a cloud migration project. Like many IT projects, her initiative was full of uncertainties, security risks, data migration challenges, and vendor dependencies. By mastering the risk management lifecycle, Maya turned potential roadblocks into opportunities and delivered her project successfully. Let's break this down step by step. Step 1. Risk identification. Knowing the risks before they know you. When Maya started her cloud migration project, her first step was to identify all potential risks. She conducted brainstorming sessions with her team, consulted stakeholders, and reviewed historical data from similar projects. This gave her a comprehensive list of risks, from potential data breaches during migration to the possibility of vendor delays. Technical note. Key techniques for identifying risks. Brainstorming. Gather your team to list potential risks, categorized by areas like technical, operational, and external. SWOT analysis. Identify project strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Risk checklists. Use industry standard checklists tailored to IT projects. For example, Maya's team identified risks such as incompatible APIs, data corruption during migration, and potential downtime due to server outages. If you've used brainstorming or other techniques to identify risks, share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video if you're finding it helpful. With her risks identified, Maya's next challenge was determining which ones mattered most. Step 2. Risk assessment. Separating the critical from the minor. Maya knew she couldn't address every risk with the same urgency. To prioritize effectively, she used a risk assessment matrix, evaluating each risk based on its likelihood and impact. This helped her focus on high-priority risks first, such as potential data breaches and vendor delays. Technical note. Steps for assessing risks. Likelihood. Assign a probability, low, medium, high, to each risk based on historical data and expert input. Impact. Assess the potential consequences of each risk, e.g., financial loss, reputation damage, or project delays. Risk matrix. Use a 2x2 or 3x3 matrix to categorize risks into low, medium, and high priority groups. For instance, Maya's matrix revealed that a data breach was a high likelihood, high impact risk, requiring immediate attention, while minor compatibility issues were low priority. Once Maya had assessed the risks, she moved on to creating a plan to address them effectively. Step 3. Risk mitigation planning, turning challenges into actionable steps. With her high priority risks identified, Maya collaborated with her team to develop mitigation strategies. For each risk, she outlined proactive measures to reduce its likelihood and contingency plans in case it occurred. Technical note. Common risk mitigation strategies. Avoidance. Eliminate the risk entirely. Example, choosing a more secure data transfer protocol to avoid breaches. Reduction. Take steps to minimize the impact or likelihood, e.g., encrypting data during migration. Transfer. Shift the risk to a third party, example, purchasing cyber insurance. Acceptance. Acknowledge and prepare for the risk without active mitigation. For example, Maya's team implemented multi-factor authentication and encryption for sensitive data to reduce the likelihood of breaches. They also developed a rollback plan in case migration failed. Quick reminder, subscribe to our channel for more IT project management strategies like these. Your support helps us create valuable content for professionals like you. With her mitigation plans in place, Maya knew that monitoring and adjustments would be crucial as the project progressed. Step 4. Risk monitoring and control, staying ahead of emerging risks. As the project moved forward, Maya realized that new risks could emerge and existing risks could change in priority. To stay proactive, she set up a risk log to track risks and scheduled regular reviews during team meetings. Technical note. Tools for risk monitoring. Risk register. Maintain a dynamic log with columns for risk descriptions, owners, mitigation plans, and status updates. Automated alerts. Use tools like Jira or Trello to receive notifications when risks escalate. Key risk indicators, KRIS, track metrics, e.g., server uptime or vendor response times, to predict potential issues. For instance, during one review, Maya's team noticed increased downtime on the vendor's server. By escalating this issue early, they avoided a full-scale delay. With the project nearing completion, Maya focused on wrapping up the risk management process. Step 5. Review and lessons learned, improving for the future. After successfully completing the cloud migration, Maya conducted a post-project review to evaluate the effectiveness of her risk management strategies. She documented lessons learned, such as the importance of early vendor assessments and frequent testing during migration. Technical note, steps for post-project reviews: analyze outcomes, compare actual risks and impacts against initial assessments. Document lessons learned, highlight what worked well and areas for improvement. Update risk frameworks, refine processes and templates for future projects. By sharing her findings, Maya not only improved her own processes but also provided valuable insights for her organization. Conclusion. By following the risk management lifecycle, identification, assessment, mitigation planning, monitoring, and review, Maya successfully navigated her project's challenges and delivered on time. This structured approach can transform how you handle uncertainties in your own IT projects. Remember, risk management isn't just about avoiding problems, it's about creating opportunities for success. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on IT project management. Let us know in the comments how you've managed risks in your projects. We'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.